Hi, in this video I'll discuss the tools you need for setting up your ethical hacking lab. So let's get started by first understanding why do you even need an ethical hacking lab. You need an ethical hacking lab or hacking lab in general because we cannot just sit down on any PC and start hacking, because we need certain tools and software for doing the job. Also, if we don't have a lab and we sit down and start hacking on our main PC, the chances are we might break it and we will be having troubles in order to do our normal routine jobs. So that's not the way we are going to handle things. Also, suppose I want to find out some loopholes in a website. Suppose that website is based on WordPress. So I'll install one copy of WordPress on my local machine and test that website. So that way it would be safe to do so. But instead, if I go and try it on someone live's website, I might break his website. So for these and many more reasons, we need our own testing lab where we can test things first and then implement that on real world. So there are many ways a lab can be set up. One way could be we purchase quite a few PCs and connect them in a network in a way that it resembles in real life, like it's a copy of a network in someone's office or something like that, and we can work with it. But that is not the right way to go with things. We do have another way, and the other way could be that we install a virtualization software on our main PC and then install all the other operating system on that virtualization software, like VirtualBox or VM Workstation. Now, I personally have both type of networks. Like I have physical PCs, 4 of them in my office. So one of them have Windows 10 and the other one has Windows 8 and the third one has Ubuntu, and indeed my main machine is running Kali. Indeed, I would like to use the virtualization software because many of you might not want to purchase that much PCs and connect them in a network. So it's better to use a virtualization software using one computer having multiple operating system. Also, let me know if you need to know how to access Linux from Windows remotely or Windows from Linux remotely. Anyway, for the purpose of this course, we'll use the virtualization method, and for the virtualization software, we'll use VM Workstation software, and we'll break into two kind of operating system. The first one would be Windows and the other one would be Metasploitable. So let's first understand how the virtualization software works. So suppose you have your main PC that you use for your normal stuff like checking your emails, watching YouTube videos and many other things, and when you install this VM Workstation or VirtualBox on it, so it allows you to install other operating system on your PC without disturbing your main files and folders. And the good thing about it is that the virtual PC that you created works the same as your main PC. So your files and folders are safe, as well as you can create another PC. And the good thing about this is you can create multiple PCs like this in this virtualized environment. It also has another cool feature of snapshots, which allows you to save the state of your machine at a certain time, and later on, if you break something in your virtual PC, you can just restore to that save moment. We'll discuss this feature in our further few videos. Anyway, the reason why I like virtualized environment is because of its flexibility and number of multiple operating system I can install without having the worry of multiplying my PCs. So that is pretty much it for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to install virtualized environment on your PC. And also, if you are new to the channel, this channel is all about creating hacking tutorials and programming. So if you are interested in learning hacking, consider subscribing. Have a pleasant day. Bye for now. Catch you next time. Peace.